When it comes to making money online, one of your first milestones is going to be making your first $150 in just one day. And in this video, I'm going to break down 5 different ways that this can be potentially possible for you. So let's not waste time with an intro and just jump right into the video. The first way is going to be an online workshop. So what you're going to need to do is identify a skill that you are good at, and more particularly a skill that is not commonly taught online. This could be anything from musical instrument instructions or teaching people how to make a DIY craft, or maybe in-depth tutorials on niche software applications. Really, the list is just endless on things that you could teach online. Next, you're going to develop a workshop or a course teaching exactly how to do this skill that you possess. The uniqueness and rarity of a skill can justify a premium price if you are marketing it to the correct audience. Now, in order to find a place to host these courses, there are multiple options that you can find online. 2 common host platforms would include Teachable and Udemy, or you could also create like a Zoom meeting where clients meet with you this way, or like a Google Meets. And this way you could conduct various live workshops, which could be fun because then you could respond to people's comments live. But how would this earn us $150 in one day? Let's say you have one video or one Zoom meeting, whatever it may be, whatever format you are putting your course in. Assume you are charging $50 for one singular workshop session. This way you would only need 3 sales a day to reach your target goal of $150. Of course, you can adjust the price, maybe higher it or lower it, depending on the value that you are giving throughout the lesson. But people aren't necessarily just gonna buy a workshop from you if you are saying, hey, buy this, it's good. You're gonna need to market it somehow. And this is where social media comes in. For example, you could post snippets of your workshop, whether it be on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube. This will build interest and show the value of your course and get people wanting to buy it from you. You could also create a blog that is focused on the niche of your skill that is being taught within the course. And within this blog, you could provide valuable content that would attract different learners. Make sure to use different SEO techniques to ensure that your website ranks well for relevant search terms. It would also be a smart idea to engage in different communities online that relate to your niche. This way you can be helpful to other people while also not being too flat out like, hey, buy my course. Rather, you want to be building trust and interest for people to be buying your course or taking your course. And then over time, you could create additional courses on top of the course that you've built, or go back and add some things in your original course, as this will encourage people to come back to you if you're adding on courses and adding on lessons. And then to increase your sales volume, you could also bundle courses and give a discount to buyers. And then you could also make a referral program so people can refer their friends, because then this will implement mouth of the word marketing. You can really get the word out there. And then with this course that you have created, you could also add another source of income on as well, and this could be affiliate marketing, for example. You could partner up with different brands that have products within your niche. Let's say you have a course on skincare and how to keep your skin clear. Well, then you could become an affiliate for different skincare products or different lotions or facial wash, whatever it may be. To build more trust with your audience, you could also offer one-on-one, maybe phone calls or Zoom meetings to really go over information and just provide people the most bang for their buck. The success for this approach heavily relies on the uniqueness of a skill that you are teaching. And then of course you need to be marketing this course effectively and producing quality content. Building a community around your niche can create a more loyal customer base, because then they are more likely to recommend your work to others and purchase work from you in the future. Now let's get into the second way to be making $150 a day, which is going to be through Instagram pages. Did you know that you can successfully run an Instagram account without having to show your face at all and still be making money? And this is going to be something called an Instagram theme page, which I personally follow a lot of them. Shoutcart.com has a lot of great examples for what an Instagram theme page may look like if you aren't familiar. But how can somebody be making money by just posting pictures online? How does that even work when it's just a free social media platform. The way that these pages make money is they sell shoutouts, which are essentially different advertisements that companies can place on these Instagram theme pages. In order to get content, a lot of these pages will actually DM other content creators within their niche and just ask for permission to post their content. So Shoutcart is actually a place where people can buy and sell shoutouts. And as you can see here, this page charges $150 for one shoutout. So with that being said, you would only need to sell one shoutout a day to hit our goal of making this money. You could also make additional money by also adding affiliate marketing with an Instagram page. A lot of the time with making money online, adding affiliate marketing to something is a great way to make a second income. The third way to be making money online is going to be through a faceless YouTube channel. Let's say you've created a YouTube channel and you've posted 60 videos on it. Each video on average is only going to be needing to make $2.50 a day in order to hit our goal of $150 a day. And remember, you only have to post videos once, and if they're in an evergreen niche, meaning it's going to last a long time and have a long shelf life, then these videos can make you money for years into the future. My brother makes thousands of dollars per day from just his 12 different faceless YouTube channels. And this is gonna be just from ad revenue alone. Okay, I'm gonna break it down a little bit further. So in order for each video to be getting $2 to $3 a day, let's say, you would be needing to get 200 to 300 views per day. And each video would need to have a $10 CPM. And this just means that you make $10 per 1,000 views with your ad revenue. Make sure to check out my video on YouTube to see how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views. I really break it down in that video that I filmed. And my brother also shares his revenue all the time over on his YouTube channel called Make Money Matt. Now, certain niches are going to have a higher CPM, meaning you are getting paid more per 1,000 views. And these are going to be niches like so. I'm gonna throw them up on the screen. Feel free to take a pause and jot some of them down if they interest you. Also, make sure to check out this video that my brother made talking about all of the best niches on YouTube. He goes through all of these and breaks them down even further. Basically, how faceless YouTube channels work is first you have to find a video idea, and then you're going to need to generate these video ideas, create the content, and lastly, upload, optimize, and monetize them. There's also going to be a free training course linked below if you're interested in, talking about everything to do with a faceless YouTube channel. And this is actually how my brother started making big money online. Faceless YouTube channels. I mean, he was making more than our parents were making while still in school, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Now let's get into our fourth way to be making this money online, which is going to be through high payout partner products. If you don't have the knowledge yourself to make a course and teach something online, then you can partner with somebody that has this knowledge and is creating this content and split the money with them. For example, my brother's course that he teaches is available on Digistore24, which is essentially just an affiliate marketplace where people can get an affiliate link for his course and then promote it. And then when they promote this course and somebody buys the course from their link, then you would earn a commission. So you would be earning money as well. And my brother's course gives out a 50% commission, which is really good. His course, To Mastery and Monetization, has paid out over $600,000 to different affiliates. And he has multiple affiliates earning a full-time income just by promoting a course. Obviously, not everybody is going to be earning a full-time income, and sometimes some people don't make a sale at all, but it is just about how you promote the course. The sales can easily add up if you use the right promotion strategies to promoting your affiliate link. If you're promoting an $1,000 course and you get a 50% commission, meaning you earn $500 a sale, you would only be needing to get 9 sales per month to average this $150 a day. But let's talk about how you would exactly get traffic to an affiliate link. You have this affiliate link, but where do you put it out into the world? Some options would maybe be running a YouTube channel or running an Instagram account. You could buy different ads to promote this link, or write articles and engage in online communities. There's a lot of different options out there. Now let's get into our fifth way to be making $150 a day, which is going to be through an affiliate marketing software. We just talked about promoting high payout partner products like courses on websites like Digistore24, but you can also make a lot of money promoting low payout partner products. But you just need to be promoting the right products, which is a mistake that a lot of people make. In my opinion, the right kind of low payout partner products are those that are going to be paying you monthly, meaning they're going to pay you every single month when you refer a customer to them. And these are typically going to be through software companies. Say you're an affiliate for TubeMagic, which is a software that helps you optimize your videos with AI. Some things to note about them is they give a 50% commission and they charge $47 a month for each customer. So for each customer that you refer, you will earn $23.50. And this is for a lifetime as long as this customer is still subscribed. And TubeMagic is an example of a software that is actually good and helpful, so people are likely to stay subscribed to it for a longer time. So if you refer 191 customers in around a month, that would get you to be making our $150 a day. Now, some people will of course unsubscribe as time goes on because that's just sometimes inevitable, but over time you will just keep replacing these people that unsubscribe and find people that are going to actually subscribe for the long run. And this is all possible by just promoting the right tools. A good way you can promote these products is by having a YouTube channel. One of Matt's students actually did this with his channel, and he is also an affiliate for TubeMagic as well, which is smart. And by doing this, he is making over $10,000 a month by promoting an AI software, and this is all done by promoting it from his YouTube channel. And on top of this, he talks about different AI video editors and also other AI tools. Many of the side hustles that I went over in today's video all relate to YouTube in some sense, as YouTube can help a lot of these side hustles. And YouTube in itself can just be a great way to make money online. And YouTube can also amplify other ways to make money online. We learned like with affiliate marketing. So if you want to discover how to do YouTube the right way without having to show your face at all, my brother made you a complete step-by-step free training that you can click on right here. It has no fluff whatsoever, gets straight to the point, and teaches you everything you need to know. So make sure to click on it right here. Click on it. Make sure to watch it. And we'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Bye.